Alright guys, so this is the beginning of day 2 in Portland. We had to end the night a little early because we were both tired as hell and I had a huge headache and I'm an old person, so what can I do? But we just went on a little walk and got some breakfast sandwiches and coffee, and honestly I'm not even a big coffee drinker, but that was some good ass coffee. It's called Barista. If you ever come to Portland, you should go here. I got some wrapped up egg and sausage sandwiches.
God, it's not even a scrambled egg, it's a freaking fried egg. Look at it.
So from the first day that I was here in Portland, a few things I learned about Portland. So number one, the streets are very, very clean and kind of small and cramped compared to San Francisco. There was a lot of greenery because it rains a lot here, so trees and more trees. And three, all the structures are very old and traditional. I think they really like to keep the old architect of the buildings, so it's very kind of from like the early 1900s, and they're really cool, really kind of historic. All right, these breakfast sandwiches, it's from a place called Bunk, and check it out, check it out. Got this bread, sausage, cheese, egg.
Good fight.
Oh, so good, man. Wow. Today we are going to the western side of Portland, so we're gonna go to the Washington Park, which is more natural, and because yesterday we explored the downtown part of the city, and let's go explore. Okay, so we're at the Japanese Gardens in Portland, and apparently the landscaping was done by this Japanese family that came from Japan, who were stonemasons for 15 generations, and it's gonna be, all the stonework is done by them, so. Man, the air here is like super fresh and it's super serene, and like I said, there's greenery like everywhere.
How is your experience so far?
It's the timber state, man. It's trees and good food everywhere.
What does
Everywhere.
that mean?
We were at the Japanese garden and we're headed to the Hoyt Arboretum, and we don't know how to get there, but we just kind of went on this impromptu hike, and now we're in the woods.
Into the woods.
Into the woods! So when we were on that hike, I thought we were walking towards the Arboretum, but I think we were actually inside the Arboretum. So that was a big fail, but it was a nice hike and we got to see a lot of nature. And yeah, Oregon's pretty cool, you know, pretty cool. So we just got back to the hotel room and it's like 5 o'clock and we're finally eating lunch. We got some chicken shish kebab and falafel. And because I'm a hella basic ass white girl, I got some fresh squeezed juice. We're currently at the Pine Street Market. There's a bunch of food places here. It's a really chill environment and we're getting ramen, so I'll show you the place. So we just had some ramen and that place was delicious. The noodles were succulent and very, very chewy.
Succulent?
And the market had a super young crowd even though it's pretty much Sunday night right now, so really cool place. Right now we're about to head to the Ground Control Arcade. I think it's a pretty poppin' place in Portland. It's open till like 2 a.m. Bunch of video games, beer. Let's check it out. Alright, so we're about to end the night here, but I got a little hungry and got this big ass lamb gyro for late night. About to take a bite. It's pretty good. It's really savory and delicious. Peace out, have a good night. Alright, what's up guys? So I got back from Portland at about 1 o'clock last night and I actually didn't film that much yesterday because I got really sick in the morning and we didn't do much anyways. We actually went to the bookstore for like 2 hours and I got 3 books. Got the Sports Gene, Encyclopedia of Muscle and Strength, and a book on sports management. So I'm gonna be posting more videos on, sports and fitness, which is what this channel is about. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Until next time, peace out.